Look at this guy. Look at this piece. What an amazing find. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are in a rock cut. And we have found a cavity right here of apophyllite, and I think this is gyrolite. And look at this piece. Wow, this is just absolutely stunning. Here's the cavity. Oh, just love these crystals. There's the other side. This side is more filled with apophylites, but this side is filled with gyrolites. Little bit of apophyllite too.
Wow.
So right here, we're taking out this apophyllite piece. There's a bit of red on it. Oh, this is a huge thing. Cracked into two, but still it's pretty good. Look at this. You can also see some more apophyllites right in this cavity. And the gyrolites that we're talking about are these balls, you can see. We're soon going to be going into the stalactite pieces. So basically what has happened here is that due to many years of water dripping down in these cavities, which are formed due to gas being trapped, gas bubbles being trapped, stalactites form of chalcedony, and then on top of that more layers of different crystals such as heulandite, and then now we have gyrolite form due to different many mineral deposition. So let's take out some of these. So right here we're taking out this big one. It's another combo piece. It's really large, but it's really tough to take these intact. So again, I'm a bit skeptical if this is gonna come out in one. So looks like there is a fault going right here. I'll try. Oh, look at this one. It's got a nice gyrolite out. There's some more pieces from the same sort. And so I see that there is a fault right here, which means that there's a kind of crack. You can see some pieces falling down already. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to slowly take this chisel, get into that little fault or whatever that crack is, and start moving it a little bit. Oh, it actually broke, but we still got a really large one. Look at this. Wow. Apophylites. We got gyrolite. Really amazing pieces right here. And here's the other guy. It still has not come out. Falling of gyrolites from here. It's out. Almost out. Woo! Look at this guy. Stunning piece right here. Amazing gyrolites on this. So right here, this is the piece after it's cleaned. And wow. Look at these apophylites, gyrolites. There are a lot of apophylites on this one compared to the other pieces. We also got gyrolites. On the bottom we have got more of the balls and a little bit of apophyllite too. Wow. And I'm just falling from the top right now. As I moved. Oh, look at that. There's cubicle above light with gyrolite, radial formations you can see. There are tons of stalactites hiding. Didn't really expected this cavity to go this deep inside. Hopefully these pieces will come intact. So now we're taking out this one. Most probably it won't stay intact. It's a very delicate cavity, but we'll try hitting it extremely slowly so the vibrations don't break the piece. Okay, here it comes. Hopefully it comes intact. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Ooh! Look at this! Oh, look at this! Oh my god. Look at the stalactite here. Wow! And now here's the main piece. Look at this piece. What an amazing find. It has apophilites. Mainly the gyrolite balls and the stalactites are on top of it. Let's try flipping. Oh my god. That's what happens. These are extremely delicate. Just getting rid of the delicate material. But again, here's the clean side. Amazing gyrolite balls, heulandite, more stalactites, then apophilite on top of it. Wow. Right here, I have kept some of the best specimens we pulled out from the cavity. And we got way more, around like 200 to 300 pieces. But I can show each one of them, of course. So I've kept some of the unique ones right here. So this is a nice stalactite piece of chalcedony. Then we have gyrolites and a lot of still apophilite on this one. Then on this piece, we've got a nice bridge of chalcedony with a gyrolite on top of it. Then we got a really nice piece of a gyrolite plate. I think this is one of the best pieces we pulled out from there. Like two or three only came out in this size with so many gyrolites. Look at this. And look how a cave formation has been formed right here. Wow, like a tunnel. Then we have some mini gyrolites in this piece. These are really tiny compared to the other pieces. Some nice ones right here. Then we got an amazing piece of pink apophilite with a gyrolite growing inside of it. If you can see the white cloudy thing inside, it's a gyrolite perfectly grown inside of this pink apophilite. Wow. Then we've got a nice trio of gyrolite, and it forms like a U, or even like kind of like a horseshoe. We've got another really nice plate. Look at this. The color in this is just enchanting. Then look at these balls right here of gyrolite, all scattered across the piece. With stalactite formations all over the place. And then now, I've got one of the best stalactite pieces. A nice pattern going on in this. A lot of gyrolites. Then we have got heulandite, then chalcedony, apophilite, and like tunnels, bridges, caves of these. Talking about stalactite bridges, look at this almost perfect stalactite bridge on this piece with gyrolites. The bridge also has some apophilites perched on top of it. Here's the backside. A lot of apophylites again here. Then right here, I've got an amazing stalactite piece with just like towers and sentinels of just pillaring chalcedony, gyrolite, heulandite, apophyllite, and all those minerals.